Tonight I'm making meatloaf. I've been making it since I was about 12, and my mom worked 2 jobs and it was just me and her, so I would always cook different meals from her, and this is one of her favorites. I made it up from a recipe that I saw in that little checkered, red and white checkered cookbook everybody had, and then we had this other beige one that my grandma gave us. And I kind of tweaked it a little bit and changed it up, and this is my recipe. Never tried measuring, but let's just see. How much do we put in there? This is half a cup of French breadcrumbs. You can use Italian. That's what I used a lot as a kid, but this is what I had tonight. We're gonna go ahead and put 2 half a cups. Growing up, I don't know if you grew up when I did. I was born in 75, so this was the epitome of flavoring for every food that was cooked at our house. So this is what I've always used. I mean, it's good. Worcestershire, but yeah, it's good. But I mean, I don't know. Is it what we would have put in it? But this is what I put in it now because I've always done it. We're gonna sprinkle some paprika, onion powder. Got lots of onions in there, but why not add more flavor? Then we've got our garlic powder. And then something I didn't use as a kid is savory seasoning. It's my favorite little seasoning blend. I get it at Central Market. And they say it's of Southern origin, but I mean, who really knows? I mean, maybe it is. And then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. Okay. Probably wasn't enough salt, was it? 2 eggs should be plenty. So we're gonna go ahead and put him in there. You gotta get your hands all off in here. Get it all incorporated. Then you're gonna know if you need more breadcrumbs. And I think we're gonna need more breadcrumbs. Next, we're gonna pop it in the oven for probably about 40 to 50 minutes. The sauce, it's pretty simple. It's tomato sauce. And then you squirt a bunch of barbecue sauce in it too to give it some tang. I do not measure. It's just what I'm telling you. You just do it until you know to stop. Get the best ketchup. And even though we got tomato sauce in there, this is just what I did as a 12-year-old young lady who looked at a bunch of recipe books that her grandma had. Tablespoon of brown sugar, actually more like 3. It seemed like I was probably making it really sweet, but people love it that way. So that's what I do. So 3 tablespoons of that should probably be enough. You're gonna hit it with salt. You're gonna hit it with a little pepper. And onion powder has to go everywhere. It goes everywhere. And garlic. Never could be too much garlic. And okay, this again, the 80s fave. Put it out of the oven and it's just about done. But I just go ahead and pour this over. You just want to make sure each meatloaf is covered. And then you're going to scoop some back up on it. Back in the oven for about 15 minutes.